You see streaks in your windshield, you're like, oh, I have to replace my windshield wipers. No, you do not. What's up, everyone? Scott from Scott's Top Tips. I just thought about this topic and decided to make a problem-solving video on this, and it's basically streaks from your windshield wipers. All kinds of streaks are actually on this, and I want to show you how to clean it. It seems simple. It's actually a little bit more technical than you would think. Let's get into it. Got my little mic here so I don't look like an idiot speaking loud outside here in the neighborhood. And I'm going to show you how to properly clean your windshield wipers and your windshield so you don't have streaks. Let's get into it. I have a scraper. This one actually is for spackle, drywall spackle, sheetrock. Got just a cloth. Of course, you want some type of durable paper towel that I can use to clean and then throw it away. Leaves no like particles or whatever on your windshield. Then I have some glass cleaner, but the key piece of equipment here, isopropyl alcohol, rubbing alcohol. That's what we're going to use. So when you park your car, you actually get a bunch of like drops from the trees, and your windshield blades pick that up, and then it's wedged in here, and it creates the streaks back and forth there, and you never have a clean windshield. So even though you can clean your windshield, which we will, if anything gets in here and actually clogs up your blade, you're still going to get any streaks. Here's the blade. You can see we need to clean the blade first. Here's a good example. See all that junk that gets in there? That clogs up and creates streaks on your windshield. Look at all of that right there. Clog up on your blade here. So we're just going to grab our towel. And we're going to put some alcohol on just a portion here that we're going to clean the blade on. And we're going to put it on a little bit generously. There you go. Well, the reason we use rubbing alcohol is because it actually cleans all the gook on here, any oil, grease, or whatever, but it also dries or evaporates evenly. So as you clean this, we want to make sure we're not damaging the blade. You don't want to put any oils on it, olive oil, vegetable oil, any silicone spray. There's like a 303 aerospace type conditioner. You don't want to put that on here though, because you want the blade to always be crisp, and you don't want it to be flexible, because if it's flexible, then grit's going to get into there. You want it to be like a hard knife edge blade. You know, if you're making a knife and you want to have the edge of the knife be super hard, and you actually dip it in oil or put it in the water, and it makes it super hard, and it's harder than the rest of the blade. It's essentially what your wiper blades need to be. We're just going to clean that up. And make sure when you're cleaning this, you're not just folding this over and you're only cleaning one blade. You want to make sure you get both sides. Look at all of that. Okay, so there you go. So now we're going to take our scraper and we're going to scrape on the windshield, pick up any grit, grease, bird droppings, tree sap, or whatever. Make sure it's a super smooth surface. You want to make sure you're not going to gouge any of your seals, your rubber seals up there. Look at that. Picking all this up. This is stuff that your car wash, your automated car wash like a Costco or the gas stations, they just won't pick up. You're starting to see it all pick up right on the edge here. Now that everything is scraped up, we're just going to put the window cleaning agent on here, the solution, which is just foam. This will dissolve any other stuff here. Usually grab about 2 pieces here, 2 sheets. This stuff is super durable. mean, it's shop towels is what these are, right? The disposable shop towels. So these work great. And I usually just fold it just like that. So I'll fold it in half here per sheet over, so I have a good hand on here, and I can do a good wax on, wax off type stuff. There you go. And what's good about doing all of this is you don't have to replace your windshield wipers. At least not for a few years anyways. I mean, I guess if you have ice storms and all kinds of stuff and it's really messing up your blades, like in Southern California, you don't have to worry about that. These are the original blades. This is my 2021 Honda CR-V, and I've never changed them out yet. So I've always just conditioned them, just like what I did with the alcohol. Keep everything good knife edge, clean up my windshield so it doesn't damage it. I never had to change these. Eventually I will, probably in another year. And let's just set these down nicely. There we go. I forgot to put my keys here. All right, to test, I just do a quick little spray and I shouldn't see any streaks. There you go, just like that. Look how nice, right? You have just a few of them here, but it should be disappearing. That's just the water coming off the surface, but look at, there's no streaks here. So mission complete. Okay, there you have it. Scott from Scott's Top Tips. Please like my videos, comment. I'll take all comments. If you think this was lame, put it down there. I'm a big boy, I can handle it. But also share out my videos, and thanks for watching all the way through. Quick little problem solving videos. And again, you wouldn't think that cleaning your windshield would be a good content piece for your video, but most people don't know that. They see streaks, especially if you're a new driver, right? You see streaks in your windshield, you're like, oh, I have to replace my windshield wipers. No, you do not. Okay? Just clean them. Like I said, I've had mine since 2021, right, when I bought this vehicle, and I haven't changed them since. So, okay, we'll see you on the next one.